Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming wire gauge and inspecting insulation. Strip about 1/2 inch to expose fresh copper. Once done, twist the conductor strands clockwise to form a neat bundle so they seat well. Make sure to clean the metal, sand or scrape any paint or oxidation. This ensures low resistance. If you are joining dissimilar metals, use an anti-corrosion compound or a proper crimp sleeve rated for those metals, so the connection will hold and conduct reliably. You now secure the mechanical joint before committing to solder. Insert the twisted wires into a correctly sized crimp sleeve and crimp firmly with the appropriate tool. Once crimped, heat the joint with a soldering iron and feed rosin core solder so it flows into the strands. Do not melt solder with the iron alone. Let heat wick it. Make sure to avoid cold joints by ensuring solder fully wets the metal. After cooling, slide heat shrink over the joint and shrink for strain relief. You finish by testing continuity and giving the connection a gentle pull to confirm mechanical integrity. A failed tug test means rework. If you see dull, grainy solder or gaps, reheat and add solder. These are cold joints that raise resistance. Make sure there is no exposed conductor. If moisture or galvanic risk exists, add conformal coating or use dielectric grease. Once satisfied, secure the cable to prevent movement, label the circuit if needed, and move on with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.